So the first thing you want to do is clean off your potatoes, and we're going to dice them into small bite-sized pieces. You want to peel your potato with your potato peeler. How I cut my potato is I just chop it. It's gonna turn out like this, and now we're gonna add the 3-pepper blend. Add the broccoli. I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil over top. We're going to add some sea salt and some black pepper. And we're just going to put it in the oven. Alright you guys, and here is the finished product. I hope you all enjoyed this video and give this meal a try, and I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.